Hi, everyone, and welcome to Steel Cod Spotlight, where we get real insights from experts in and around the appliance industry. Today, we're joined by Jiji Mathew, who is the CEO and founder of Vezeni. Jiji, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So, we like to start every show by getting to know our guests a little better. So, if you please tell us about yourself and specifically how you got into appliances.
Well, I have been a real estate developer for the past 25 years. We build very high-end homes. So it's always in my mind that kitchen, since the kitchen and the baths are the main factors of the house, how can I improvise that? So we started experimenting, multiple things and finally end up with appliances. We very customized appliances and putting into these homes, and people and the buyers started loving it. So I thought, I could make a business out of it. That's a true story about it. That's how it's all started.
Wow, what a great entrance into that. So when I was selling appliances, I was in the Boston area selling in high-end kitchens the same way. So you were actually developing the homes and saw appliances are a key. What a great kind of keep your ear to the ground, see where opportunities are, that entrepreneurial spirit. So that's great to hear. So I'm excited to learn more as time goes on in this interview. So Gigi,
Thank you.
with Steel Cod Spotlight, we like to talk to individual audiences that appliances are important for. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to welcome in an audience of consumers. These are people that are ready to put the credit card down, that have projects going on, that need appliances, and Vezeni should be on their list of considerations. So my first question on behalf of this consumer audience to you is, what sets Vezeni apart for long-term peace of mind for a consumer?
We are absolute craziest consumer-centered company. That's our main goal. What our consumer want. We always keep that in my mind when it comes to service, when it comes to product quality. So that's one of our main traits. Absolute consumer-centered service we have.
So that's fantastic and obviously very important to you're selling these appliances to consumer. So let's talk a
Exactly.
little
Yes.
more about the quality. What does
Yes.
the Vezeni do in terms of quality?
Okay. Well, we have to probably talk about a few things. Quality as in the product quality and the materials that we use. We source all the very high-end quality steel and source the burners from Germany and Italy. And we even manufacture most of our knobs and handles and on important things in Italy. So that gives us an advantage edge when it comes to quality. And that's one of the main things that we give. And we have on ground staff in the manufacturing facilities check in each and every phase of the manufacturing process. So that's avoid a lot of problems when it comes to the consumer. So that's one thing we mainly focus on that.
Which is huge. I mean, if you do things right up front, hopefully longevity falls into place with the
Exactly.
right products in the manufacturing
Ex-
process. So with that in
exactly.
mind, things happen. It's manufacturing. Things can happen. And there might be an issue that happens once it's in the consumer's home. What do you do on the service side?
We have a nationwide service center. We have all the parts in stock. Within 24 hours of the call, there will be a tech in their house. If this is something simple, we fix it right away. If not, we'll take the item. Remove the item, we replace them, and we will figure out what need to be done, why it's happened, what happened. So that's how we handle that.
That's
We don't
huge.
want a tech goes to solve a problem 2 times, it's only 1 time. That's it.
That's fantastic. And that's what you want to hear, especially with an
Yes.
emerging brand like Vezeni, that a consumer wants to know that that support system is there. So that's huge. So another question I have, so I'm just imagining I'm a consumer right now, is what sorts of features can I experience? So we're talking strong build quality. We're talking excellent back-end support. Now, what about features in the products that consumers should be excited about and looking at?
Ok. And we have a new line coming up called the Vezeni Pro line. This one has a single walk burner with the 22,000 BTU. So on a special purpose. So that's one of our new features. Then we have patent products like, multiple color handles, carbon fiber handle is never made before. That's one line that's all patent. And we have another line coming called curve design. Nobody ever have done that. This is all patent products. So on a aesthetic edge, we have a lot of aesthetic edge as well, along with the quality of the product.
That's really exciting. And consumers are always looking for different things, especially in these cooking products.
Exactly.
So it's definitely some great opportunity here for consumers to be like, never saw that
Right.
before, and could interest them in their home. That's excellent.
Right.
Now, you talked a little about kind of aesthetics as well, because obviously, a consumer might be like, I don't really cook a whole lot, but I care a lot about how this is going to look in the house. How do you feel like aesthetically the Vezeni ranges are going to fit into different types of kitchens, whether you're contemporary, more transitional, or more traditional?
So, as you know, Vezeni is more of contemporary traditional line and more for the same reason, we decided to join venture with a brand called Janska Sweden. They are currently only online, but so the reason for being a part of joining together, they have this extremely well-made European look products, which we are going to take into markets, into the consumer, I mean, brick and mortar and the builder side. On the other hand, they will take Vezeni to the e-com side. So it's going to be so we'll have like 160 squares with both, traditional and um, modern look. So that is an additional, when you come to shop for Vezeni, you're going to get that.
That's really exciting. So basically, it'll fit in just about any kitchen design, is what you're going for.
Exactly.
That's excellent. So I think there's a lot of exciting things for Vezeni, especially with the new venture that's coming as well for consumers to consider. So Gigi, before you go, we have three final questions for you. So our first question for you is, what is your dream appliance, whether it's one you've had in the past, one you have now, or one you hope to have in the future?
Well, before my business, I had a very good 48-inch stove. I'm not going to name them, very high-end, high brand. Had some issues, but then when I started my own product, that's what I have in my kitchen. I mean, that's one of the best products I've ever had.
So you're very happy with your Vezeni 48-inch range. Is that
Exactly.
one of the models with the wok burner?
Yes, that's the one with every product that before introduced to market, I keep in my kitchen. I test them for a year or year and a half before even we sell to the customer. So we test it even in the warehouse as well. We have testing. We do it for a year. Even we have new lines coming out. It's in the testing for the last 8-9 months. So we're going to introduce that in the spring. So it's been on the test for like 8 to 9 months. Even we have a new dishwasher. I mean, washing stuff coming in. This has been in test. All the new products, all the products that we're going to introduce in 2027 is also going under testing now. So
That's great.
we make
So
sure. Yes.
in your range, in your 48-inch range, what's your favorite feature?
I think aesthetics, the lights and the knob is so beautiful. I'm not I cook all the time, but
Yeah.
it's so beautiful to see at night, to be very honest with you. Other than it's made phenomenal cooking. I mean, wok burners, awesome. And oven is awesome, but the look of it, it's just amazing. And every day I look at it, I say, wow, this is a good stuff. That's the same reaction we get from the consumers as well. Well, this looks very nice, something unique, something nice, quality. That's what makes me happy.
That's
To
a
be
great
honest,
answer. And that's really important. That should not be underplayed. The aesthetics are huge for these appliances.
very
So
much
that's
so.
awesome. So my next question for you is, what is the best professional advice you have ever received?
This is probably apart from my the appliance business, but I implement this in the appliance business or any business that I do. When I was a young builder in the Bay Area, I had a mentor. He said, just don't build anything for you. You know, just build for the consumer. Keep the consumer in your mind. You will be successful. You will build a great product. Whatever you build. So I always think about that, and that is my theory. That's what I do. That's what I follow by.
That's a great
Always
tip.
build things for the consumer, and think about how easy for them, how durable it is. Think about from a consumer standpoint. What questions, what problems can come, sort it out, so you create a beautiful product. That's my personal opinion.
That's huge. So let's take a moment now. And actually, you mentioned to a few of our audiences about in 2026, the new business relationships that are coming. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Yes. Like I said, this company called Janska, Sweden. They are currently they're in big big box stores. They do a pretty good amount of business, very very well good quality that I see out there in the e-com arena. And I know he's one of my good friends. He's my friend for the last 25 years. So he's the only person that I know that same thought process. How do we build this? How quality, how the consumer. So in the last 6 months, we thought, hey, why not we do this together? You are completely doing a different line of product, European line. Why don't we do it together? It's going to make a big company, for the consumer, it'll be a great advantage. They don't have to go anywhere else to look for a European style or American style or anything else. We have everything within our company. And Janska is mainly focusing on European style high-end appliances. It'll be very ultra-modern product.
That's very exciting. I really look forward to learning more about that, seeing more about the offerings as the companies work together. So I think that's really exciting for incoming in 2026. All right. So my last question for you is, how can people follow or connect with you online?
As you know, it's Vezeni.com or at Vezeni Home is our Instagram, and all of the handles at Vezeni Home.
Great. And we're putting that all in the footer right here so people can see where to follow you. So Jiji, thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate your thoughts and your insights, and very excited about to see where Vezeni goes in the coming years. So thank you for joining us today. And thank you for watching us on this episode of Steel Cod Spotlight. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.